Welcome to Speed Fire Fab and the first ever filmed episode of ToolBox STICKUP, where I take the stack of stickers in the bottom of my toolbox, point them down range, and pepper the door. Let's get after it. Now, I want to start by saying I'm not sponsored by any one of these companies. I don't get nothing for doing this video. This has just been something that I've done for years on both the toolboxes, the car lifts, some of the other doors in my old shop. For whatever reason, I get stickers when I buy parts, and I don't do anything with them. I kind of just hoard them in the junk drawer of my toolbox, and then one day out of the blue, I'm like, hey, I'm going to stick these up somewhere. Today was that day. And I thought, you know what? This might make a funny little series. Let's film it and see what happens. So you're welcome for that. It's either going to be absolutely terrible, or terribly great. And I apologize that probably going to make some of y'all mad because I'm not just slapping them randomly like a lot of people do. Unfortunately, a little bit of OCD that I have prohibits me from such violence. And my brain tells me that they need to all be somewhat straight and level with the ground and each other. Otherwise, it's just wrong. Ten years ago when I started this, I would actually get out a level and a tape measure. And they would be perfect. Which I think is why I kind of started doing them in batches instead of one at a time, because that was a process. And as I got older and time went on, I said, to heck with all of this, that's too much work. They just got to be straightish. So, I guess I could talk about a couple of these companies. We got Send Cut Send. Great place if you got some pieces you need cut out of whatever kind of material. Forming and coating. I think they do a little bit of everything. Got Streamlight. Best automotive flashlights there are, in my opinion. Cold Case. Radiator and cooling products. Monkey Fab Garage. Buy some wiring, connectors, and wire from him. Pretty good quality stuff. Speed Engineering. Bought some headers and exhaust components. Honestly, pretty good quality for the price point. Carbon Shock Technologies. They built the coilovers on the Scout. Quick Performance. Rear end components. Benchmark Abrasives. For all your abrasive needs. It doesn't fit anywhere. Nope. I kind of screwed that up. I'll just put it right here in the corner. Evil Energy. Amazon V-band clamps. At least that's what I buy from them. Again, pretty good quality for the price point. We got Resto Mod. I think that's Resto Mod Air. make hot rod AC components. That's not really going to fit, but we're going to squeeze her in. Glow shift when you're balling on a budget and you can't afford auto meter. They get the job done. Of course, we got Summit Racing because, well, who else are you going to buy it all from? Really old Flowmaster sticker. I haven't bought a Flowmaster in got to be 10 years, but it was in the bottom of the box. Pretty curled up. Don't even know if it's going to stick, honestly. It's not great. Have to slap it, make sure that's not going anywhere. That way to stay put. And ATI Super Dampener. The best harmonic balancers in the business, in my opinion. So there you have it. An episode of ToolBox STICKUP. If y'all like it, think it's funny, think it's terrible, put it down in the comments. Maybe in a couple months when I get another handful of stickers, we'll make another one. Till then, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.